Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a colleague's calendar to Outlook on the web. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft Outlook account. This will load your inbox and give you access to all of Outlook's features, including the calendar management tools we'll be using today. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your calendar menu. Click on this calendar icon to access your calendar interface. This is where you'll be able to view your own schedule and, importantly, add your colleague's calendar so you can coordinate meetings and stay aligned on important dates. Now that you're in your calendar view, look for the Add Calendar option. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. This will open an Add Calendar window with several options for importing calendars from different sources. On the left-hand menu of this window, you'll see an option labeled Subscribe from Web. Click on this option as it's specifically designed for adding calendars using a URL link. Next, you'll see a field where you can enter a calendar URL. This is where you'll paste the web link to your colleague's calendar. Your colleague should have provided you with this URL beforehand, so simply enter it into the designated field. Once you've entered the URL, click the Import button. Outlook will then process the link and add your colleague's calendar to your view, allowing you to see their availability and scheduled events directly alongside your own calendar. And that's it. You've successfully added your colleague's calendar to Outlook on the web, making it easier to coordinate schedules and plan meetings together. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.